As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these Char-Broil grills. What's the difference between the Classic Series 2-burner B01HM7BV6U and the Performance Series 3-burner B0CW34MSMN?
Okay, let's break it down. The Classic 2-burner is smaller, with 280 square inches of cooking space, while the Performance 3-burner gives you 375 square inches. So more room for burgers.
Gotcha. Size matters. What about power?
The Classic has 20,000 BTUs, and the Performance jumps up to 27,000 BTUs, distributed across 3 burners instead of 2. Each burner on the Performance is 9,000 BTU, so technically more heat overall, and probably a more even heat distribution.
More burners, more even cooking. Sounds good. What about extras?
The Classic has a side burner, which is a nice addition for keeping sides warm or whipping up sauces. The Performance series doesn't have a side burner in the spec I am looking at. It does come with a grill brush, though. The grates on the Classic are porcelain-coated wire. The Performance uses porcelain-coated cast iron grates.
Okay, side burner versus grill brush and better grates. Anything about the materials?
Both are stainless steel, but the Performance series might have a slightly more durable build based on customer reviews. The Classic's reviews mention some assembly issues, while the Performance seems easier to put together.
Good to know. I'm not the handiest person. What about price?
The Classic is listed at $139, but the Performance is currently unavailable, so it's hard to say the current price. Other variations of the grill are listed around $467, so it is safe to assume the Performance is more expensive.
Okay, so Classic is cheaper and available. Performance is bigger, more powerful, and comes with a brush, but might cost a lot more and is out of stock.
Exactly. It really depends on your needs. If you're grilling for a smaller group and on a budget, the Classic is a solid choice. If you need more space and want better heat, and are willing to spend more, the Performance series is worth considering if you can find it.
Thanks. That really helps. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.